You're welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how I got this text effect, or how I achieved this text effect. So what you just need to do first is to create your workspace by clicking the plus sign and custom size. The size I'm going to be using is 1280 by 720. Create new design. Alright, so the first thing to do right now is to add text. So I go to text, so add a heading, love, just add love. So I can increase this size, and I will go to my font. The font I want to use is Gagaline, so I just press G, or you press Gagaline. So it's going to bring it out, or you can use any font that you love will be good. So now I have this. So what I have to do right now is to use this direction button to bend it a bit, rotate it a bit like this. So, and the next thing I just have to do right now is to duplicate this, or let me increase it a bit. Okay, to duplicate. So I'm going to edit this one to story. So if you have something like this, you can expand it a bit at the side. Alright, so place it very close to each other like this. So I'm going to change my background color, so I can come down to choose gradient. I'm choosing this pink and blue gradient, right? So that means I'm changing my color to something contrasting. Let me use white, so that will show very well. All right, I think I'm okay with this. I can increase this love a bit. All right, so okay, I think I'm okay like this. Okay, so I will now go to effects. So I'm going to add a shadow effect to it. So when I click, I'm going to click settings. So my offsets, I'm going to set my offset to 94. Can play around it anyway to get something nice. So I'm going to put my direction to -19, or -20, -19, 20. You still get the same result. Anyone that is fine with you. I'm using -19, and my blur, I'm using 12 for my blur, and my transparency I'm using 45, 46 something. Then the color here, I'll be using black. Because the shadow. So then the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to come to position and bring to front. You can see. So now it's okay. Let me increase this story a bit. Okay, so just play around these to achieve, or you can use the nudge button to just move it around to get something neat and fine. All right, so now the story. Now let me add some shadow effect to the story, but not like the one I had to the love. So effect, shadow. So let me just use like offset to be 10, very small, 10, 11 or so. Let my direction be around 100 and something, 118 or 117 is fine. Then let my blur be small, maybe 18 or 19, and my transparency should be around, okay, 40 is fine. Let's leave it in 40. All right, 41, no problem. And the color too should be changed to black. All right, so I think I'm fine. So if it's not properly positioned, you can just use the nudge button. Do something cool as you may want it. So, and you can now group these two words together. So by selecting these three dots here and select multiple, click the second word, then you can group it. So it will be able to move it around. So the essence of doing all these things is that whenever we are creating, I'm going to be sending one flyer to the group. This is a kind of effect used for that flyer. So when we are creating a flyer or branding anything, you may want to use any effect. So this will help us. So you can try it and send your result, whatever you achieve, to the WhatsApp group as well. So you can download your work. So if you love this video or you are getting value, please subscribe to this channel and also share it to others, so for them to see. I will see you in my next video.